In this session, we are going to discuss a very important topic in pharmaceutical and clinical laboratories: data integrity, the foundation of patient safety. Every test results, observation, calculation, and report generation in a laboratory directly impacts decision regarding product quality and patient health. Data integrity ensures that information is complete, accurate, reliable, and trustworthy throughout its life cycle. In simple terms, every data point generated in a laboratory is a promise to regulators, healthcare professionals, and most importantly, patients. During this session, we will understand the principle of data integrity, ALCOA, and ALCOA A plus, common data integrity failures, audit practices, and how a strong quality culture protects patient safety. Data integrity is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a patient safety requirement. Global regulatory agencies such as the FDA, MHRA, EMA, and WHO have established strict expectations regarding data integrity. When laboratories fail to maintain data integrity, the consequences can be severe. Organizations may receive warning letters, regulatory observations, consent decrees, import bans, or even manufacturing plant shutdowns. Apart from financial losses, companies may suffer irreversible reputational damage. Most importantly, data can result in unsafe medicines reaches the patients or effective medicines being rejected incorrectly. Therefore, data integrity is directly linked to public health and patient safety. Let us first understand what data integrity actually means. Data integrity refers to the degree to which data remains complete, consistent, accurate, and trustworthy throughout its entire life cycle. This life cycle begins when data is created and continues through processing, review, approval, reporting, storage, and archival. Data integrity is not simply about recording numbers. It is important maintaining confidence that the recorded information truly reflects what happened during an experiment, test, or manufacturing process. A laboratory with strong data integrity practices creates a culture of accountability, transparency, and scientific excellence. Every employee plays a role in maintaining data integrity. The foundation of data integrity is built upon the ALCOA principles. These principles are recognized globally and form the basis of regulatory expectations. When laboratories follow these five principles, they establish a strong foundation for trustworthy scientific data. As laboratory systems became more digital and complex, regulators expand ALCOA into ALCOA Plus. ALCOA Plus includes four additional principles. Complete. All data must be retained, including failed runs, invalid tests, and repeated analysis. No data should be deleted simply because the results are undesirable. Consistent. Events should follow a logical order without unexplained gaps. Enduring. Records should be stored securely and protected against damage, loss, or unauthorized changes. Available. Data must be easily accessible during audits, inspections, investigations, and reviews. ALCOA principles help organization maintains integrity in both paper-based and electronic systems. Today, ALCOA Plus is considered the gold standard for data integrity management. Many regulatory warning letters issued worldwide involve data integrity failures. One common example is data manipulation. This occurs when users intentionally modify results to hide failures or out of specification findings. Another common issue is backdating documentation. This happens when records are created after the event but falsely indicate they were recorded earlier. A third issue is hidden failure results. Sometimes analysis repeats test multiple times and report only passing results while ignoring failed data. The practice is often called selective reporting or testing into compliance. Such actions destroy trust in laboratory data and can result in serious regulatory action. These examples remind us that integrity is not just about systems, it is about ethical behavior and scientific honesty. Data integrity breaches are often linked to human behavior. Three major factors contribute to misconduct. The first is motive. Employees may feel pressure to meet deadlines, production targets, or management expectations. The second is opportunity. Weak system controls, shared passwords, or poor supervision can create opportunities for unauthorized actions. The third is means. If users can modify or delete data without proper controls, the risk of manipulation increases. To prevent these issues, organizations should manage workloads realistically, implement strong access controls, and maintain secure audit trails. Preventing misconduct is always easier than correcting its consequences. Regular auditing is an essential part of data integrity management. Audits help identify weaknesses before they become regulatory observations. For paper records, auditors review notebooks, worksheets, and logbooks for completeness. For hybrid systems, audits verify that paper records match the underlying electronic data. For electronic systems, auditors examine audit trails, user activities, data modifications, and deletion records. A strong audit program ensures that no gaps remain unnoticed. Auditing should not be viewing as fault finding. Instead, it should be seen as a tool for continuous improvement and quality assurance. Data integrity cannot be achieved throughout procedures alone. It requires a strong organization culture. Management must demonstrate commitment to transparency and ethical behavior. Leaders should encourage openness and never create pressure to compress scientific standards. Independent second person reviews are also important. Fresh review often helps identify errors before data is finalized. Organizations should also empower employees to raise concerns without fear of punishment. When people feel safe reporting issues, problems are detected earlier and corrected more efficiently. A strong quality culture transforms data integrity from a compliance requirement into a daily habit. As we conclude this session, remember that every data entry carries responsibility. Each observation, calculation, and signature contributes to the quality and safety of healthcare products. Data integrity is not an annual audit activity. It is a daily commitment that must be practiced consistently. Always remain vigilant, document accurately, follow procedures, and maintain transparency. Most importantly, remember the patient. Every reliable record ultimately supports patient safety and public trust. The key takeaway from this session is simple. ALCOA Plus is not just a checklist, it is a culture. When data integrity becomes part of everyday laboratory behavior, organizations achieve compliance, maintain credibility, and most importantly, protect patients. Thank you everyone for watching this session. If you have any queries, post them in the comment section.